Hello folks, it's me again, Patty from Southern Blessed Homestead. Yeah, well, I'm out in the garden and trying to figure out what I need to do, what I want to do, and what I can do. Those are all three important issues. It is end of season, summer, getting into fall. I was looking at the temperatures and for the upcoming weeks, and it is slowly going down during the day. We're going to eventually reach the high 70s. At the evenings are starting to go down in the 50s. Which means fall is right around the corner. And things are not going to grow as well with the lower temperatures in the evening. But it's still got a good growing season up until our first frost is usually in the 1st of November. Or mid-November, somewhere around there. It just depends. I think on the books it says November 9th or 12th or something like that. But anyway, I have clipped back and trying to let things slowly die, like my trellises here that had all the cherry tomatoes types on there with the beans, the noodle beans, and end of season thought is I really don't like the yard long beans, but I do like the red noodle beans, so I'll try to grow them again. It looks pretty sad up here. But yeah, and little things that I'm going to do differently is my flowers. I love my flowers, but I think I'm going to put them more on the outside of beds than on the insides. So I started to do that in some areas, and we're getting rid of some of these big beds, as you can see right back there, the tall ones, and hopefully put in some wood ones. And I'm going to probably be putting my strawberries, which I'll show you in just a minute. Yeah, I think I'm going to be taking out these cute little swimming pools with our strawberries, and actually I put some lemon balm in the middle of that one and it's taking over, but I am contemplating putting my strawberries in this big bed right here and possibly making another one. We're going to be taking out these swimming pools, this big bed, which I threw in some basil and some tomato plants, and they're just going crazy right now, and this swimming pool with the strawberries in it, and hopefully make one long bed, a wooden bed, lower bed right through there. And I think I'm going to fill it up with strawberries. I want to have a better strawberry patch. We got hit and miss with these, and they were good, and actually just snacks as we came to the garden, more or less, for my grandson and I and whoever was out here. But I'd like to make enough to actually have a harvest off of them. So we will see. I need to take better care of those. And like I said, I'm really wanting to get rid of these two big beds here and probably put in some wooden beds. And then I'm working on the perimeter as much as I can. My poor moringa tree looks sad. I know he's not going to last through the winter, so I'm just letting it go, and we'll see what happens. This is my first time to ever grow one, and I need to start harvesting some stuff off of it. And my acorn squash down here is doing pretty good. It was growing outside, and then I made it grow up the fence line, and I know acorn squash get kind of big and heavy, I mean more or less for, small squash. So I might get it to go back on the ground somehow as it keeps growing. I might be clipping some of them. I love squash because look at the huge leaves that are on here. I'm really hoping that I can keep this alive to get some fruit off of it, the squash bugs not bothering it. Anyway, I want to put in more or less a bed on, in the ground, but with more of a perimeter to it on the outside perimeter of it. So what I'm fixing to do though right now is I'm kind of concerned about my pumpkins And this little boxed in area that I made for the cantaloupes worked pretty good. We got several of them, but we know the critters found them too, so they ate a lot of them. And it was too small of an area, obviously, and I kind of knew it would. I was just playing around for, cantaloupes, and especially the cassava melons. They went nuts. And so it went all outside there, which was fine. It was fine with me, and it worked great. We got several melons, but I'm going to take this little perimeter out, and I want to extend the fence this way to capture in my melons that are on the other side, my pumpkins, if they will produce. Kind of looking sad over there right now. But over on this area is more or less our extra mulch and dirt and composting type stuff for right now. And we may leave it that way. We were discussing it's easy to come in with the trucks if we bring a haul of stuff in right in this area. So we need to figure out how to keep the weeds out, though, because we've got them sitting on tarps for the moment, but some better area to be able to put our excess stuff that we work with. And the zinnias are nice, but I'm gonna have to rip them out. I hate that, but I've got zinnias all over the place in the garden, so I'll probably cut off all the pretty ones and put me a nice vase in the house. But I'm gonna try to cut these off and get this fence out today, if I can do that. And it's funny, the zinnias are popping up everywhere. Look, I've got some little zinnias here. And those are cantaloupe plants over there, which I'm going to have to pull up too. And I'm going to rework this area. Like I said, we're probably going to be putting some more beds in. But it's mulch for right now. And I'm going to leave these zinnias over here for right now too. So anyway, my goal is to get this fence line and put it that way for today, and we'll see what happens. Just trying to plan and see what works best at keeping the weeds out and the critters out, although the critters will come. They're smart little ones, but we can do what we can to block them out stuff. So anyway, that's my goal for today, and I'll show you as we go along.
I sneak up on Patti and see what she's doing out here. She's always out here in the garden working. What you doing? We need to rearrange our pile. We need to throw all this in there this fall.
Yeah, well.
Cow manure, chicken stuff, some other three-way mix stuff.
I'm going to be using some of it with the mulch right through here.
Yeah. Looking good.
Yep, had to chop down my zinnias, but they're alright.
Yeah, they were pretty much just overtaking everything.
Yeah, they're coming up. Watch it.
I mean, what's happening to our grapevine over here?
I don't know. I don't know anything about grapes, so.
Man, it was looking beautiful. And now that happened. Man, that looks terrible.
Everything's kind of terrible. It needs to be fertilized and.
Yeah, but it's getting like brown spots and stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know. Any of y'all know anything about grapes? Man, that looks horrible. If you have any idea what that is, let us know, because that looks terrible. All right, well, I'm gonna run to town and get a belt for that lawnmower, take that battery back to AutoZone, get my core charged for it, and come back, clean out the chicken pen, and put that belt on that lady's lawnmower,
Yeah.
So that's my day. And then if you need some help, I'll give you a hand.
I'll probably be out here about an hour here and there.
Man, you got a big old gourd hanging on that.
I know.
Trellis.
I'm happy I got that.
Man, this thing is zoom in, see if you can see that. Look at that thing. Golly, that thing's huge.
Yep. I actually need the push mower because I'd like to clean this up, or maybe I'll just do the riding lawnmower.
I need to put air in the tire and lawnmower.
Okay, there.
Can I do that when I get back?
Yeah.
All right. I didn't want to, I wanted to get it done right while I was halfway clean, and because I don't want to get back out when I
Get all dirty.
Yeah, chicken pen's nasty. It's
All right.
smelling like chicken poop.
Yeah. Chickens need some help.
See you later.
Bye.
Hi. Getting a lot of work done, babe. You getting more work done than I am.
That's the way it goes. I don't
Tired?
have a lawnmower and stuff, so I'm doing it by hand.
I'm gonna go.
It's been raining off and on.
Yeah. Go get the push more.
Yeah.
That's good. You got some more fence up here.
Just a little section. I want to get out here if I can. Put it across here.
Yeah.
If I go up there to here, I'm gonna take that ugly carpet stuff and put it here to. And I got some more wood chips. I'll fill in.
Yeah.
So,
Yep.
yeah.
Okay. Let me get the push more. Run one more. Actually, I'm getting the lot more out with the trailer, so I can mow down through here real short.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, good thing you didn't run over it.
I'm looking for that too.
Well,
It goes to the trailer.
that wouldn't have been good around the blades.
Glad I didn't run over that the lawnmower.
Yep. Oh, I forgot to pick up those. How to trim with the lawnmower. Well, pretty good. Yeah, put that thing down. Oh, it's blowing it all over. Don't blow that in here. Okay. Behind us, right? come trim some more. We don't have a weed eater. So, oh, I must clarify that. We probably have 4 weed eaters, but none of them work.
Good?
Yeah, for now. You want to do one more? Yay! You want to do one more?
Yeah.
There's...
Like hammering concrete.
Yeah, guess that'll be it for now. Thank you, sir. Appreciate your service.
Yeah.
This is what's left of my zinnia plants I've tore out today. Got me a bucket full of flowers. As soon as I think I'm done, I don't get enough time to cut the plant and get busy with life and then go back out and guess what? There's more. Run out of jars pretty much for all this. So we're eating and sharing and still preserving some. Dehydrating, freezing, not best of quality, but it's food and I'm thankful.